Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing hardware and the basic mapping layer. Plug the controller into USB so latency is minimal and install the driver plus the mapping app. Run it as administrator. Once done, detect the device and calibrate sticks and triggers so inputs report correctly. Make sure to choose HID or X input mode matching the software. This establishes a reliable baseline. You'll avoid odd inputs later and can proceed to assign keyboard keys to buttons confidently. Now you build precise mappings tailored to your workflow. Open a new profile and assign controller buttons to keyboard keys one at a time, explaining why each mapping matches in-game actions. Adjust dead zones and sensitivity for sticks, and configure short press versus long press or toggle behavior where needed. Add macros for common multi-key sequences, record them, and test slowly. Once mappings behave predictably, save and export the profile so you can import it on another machine if required. Finish by validating in real scenarios and refining settings. Play for several minutes and observe missed or repeated keys. Tweak debounce, input delay, or sensitivity to eliminate errors. If buttons misbehave, update controller firmware, reseat the USB cable, or remap to a different physical button. Make a restore point and keep an easy hotkey to switch profiles. This lets you revert when a change breaks gameplay. If problems persist, test the controller on another PC to isolate hardware versus software faults.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.